In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Revolut payment on Facebook business ad account. By the end, you'll have your Revolut card linked so your ads can bill smoothly and without surprises. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the Facebook profile that owns or has access to the ad account and have your Revolut card details handy. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is where Facebook keeps a lot of the account and business tools. If you manage multiple pages or ad accounts, it's normal to find those options here. Scroll down the menu until you see the section for account settings. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand more controls, then tap Settings. This takes you into the core settings area where you can manage security, preferences, and crucially, your ad payment information. Inside settings, scroll down and look for ads payments. On some devices, it may be labeled slightly differently, but ads payments is the place you want. Tap on ads payments to open your ad account's billing dashboard. Here you'll see your current payment methods, billing threshold, and any recent charges. Tap on add payment method. Facebook will show the supported options for your region. Revolut cards generally work the same as any Visa or MasterCard, whether personal or business, so you'll add it as a standard card. Enter your Revolut card details carefully. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown in your Revolut app or on the card. Use the correct billing address that matches your Revolut card profile to avoid verification issues. If your ad account uses a specific currency, it's often best to align it with your Revolut card's main currency to minimize conversion fees. When everything looks correct, tap Next and continue through the prompts until Facebook confirms the payment method has been added. During this process, you might see a small verification or a temporary authorization. If your card has 3D Secure enabled, you may need to approve the transaction in the Revolut app. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once the payment method is added, you're ready to fund campaigns. If you already had a payment method on file, Facebook may continue using that by default. You can review which method is selected on the ads payment screen. As a best practice, double-check your billing country, business